literally noon every day and it's 8:50. Low-key, I kind of screwed myself, but yeah. Let's get up and start getting ready. I don't know.
I think we gotta tell the truth. You and me don't need this attitude. I can tell you're ready for love.
Why does water taste so disgusting in the morning?
Things changed when you went back home without.
This worship song is making me emotional because I'm just so grateful to get to go back to the college I love with the friends I love. And I get a roommate this semester. Last semester I didn't have a roommate. It was really lonely, but this semester I have a roommate. Also, my major is ministry major. And so I'm so glad to go back to college and learn more about the Bible and stuff. It's really hard on your own sometimes. And so it's nice to have somebody to teach you new things rather than have to do it all on your own, I guess. And then you can be like, oh my gosh, the Bible's crazy and I love it. I am all ready to go. Put that in there. We got everything packed up and all the clothes and stuff. Hi. Of course it's raining on move-in day. Summer is literally crying.
Why are you crying?
How do you feel that I'm leaving?
Well, you know, I've just been waiting for this day all summer. I just wish you the best of luck and I hope you never come back. Thank you.
Right, here's his mini fridge. Here's what I'm thinking. We stuff our dog Ari in the mini fridge. No one will literally ever know. I think you like that. That was good. Let's go. Let's party. Yeah.
So they asked me to film Maddie trying to move the furniture because I'm so strong. Look how good I am. Anybody home? Alright, friends. That's all for now.
We made it. This is what we're working with.
We're builders.
Bob the Builder up in here.
For real.
This is what we're working with.
I'll carry some. Let me drive the boat. You have cute clothes. Why do y'all have such cute clothes? I want to steal your wardrobe.
At all times because she's gonna do something stupid.
I got muscles, what'd you say?
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, girl.
Facts. Shakira, hips don't lie. Yeah, 5-star. I have to use something to close the door. Hi, Matthew.
Thank you, sir.
Got a bed up. So it's a little lopsided. All in the night you just hear Jules broke her back. Jules died. Jules needs an ambulance.
I have to call the RA on call and it's like Matthew. Sir?
I'm like, hey, we need a dog. So we need mouth to mouth.
Hi, vlog! Hi! Oh, there's a camera!
Reunion. It doesn't feel like real. Yeah, it doesn't feel real. Your face!
It is just so...
He's being dramatic.
Look at that.
It is 5-star.
Okay, room isn't done yet, but she needs to see our progress so far. Oh.
It's so beautiful. She's becoming homey slowly. This is why I told everybody. I said, please don't come over for 3 to 5 business days.
There's
will not
so
be
much
ensuing.
to do.
Because we like her family was here today, and there were a lot of cooks in this kitchen for a minute.
It's
You push one thing, and you're hitting somebody with something, and things are falling, and Jules' toes are on fire.
I literally hit my toes so bad. Let's reenact this. Let's reenact this.
Pretend that this is the base giant to our.
block
It's
of
the
wood.
giant wood. This is what happened. Me moves, falls. It burns. Actual representation
Literally.
of that falling on Jules'
Indeed.
Hey, Maddie, we're going to Walmart. Ah, you gonna get anything?
Ew. Have
an Olipop. I love those. My second one of the day. They make me burp, and I never burp.
What are you gonna get in the Walmart?
I'm gonna get command hooks car scent thing.
I'm getting snacks. Walmart.
What?
Can we go to clearance to look at Legos?
Do you happen to need an envelope moistener?
How'd you know? wait, at the same time we can be stars.
These. you flipped the camera around. Bro, those are sturdy. Why'd you just throw a literal rug at my... Oh, not the foot again! It burned! Do it again, Ryan, do it again. Oh no! It burns! This is our stuff. She's had it with us.
No, my room not being organized is really getting me. Like, the fact that I can't go to sleep when I go back because it's so messy.
Head out the window, stick your head out the window.
What am I? I gotta get a seatbelt on, girl.
We're gonna show you what. Yeah, let's show them. Oh. That neon orange looking.
Like, that's freaking obnoxious in the middle of the night when you're trying to slumber. Look at the wall. Always in my face, up in my business.
Anyways, I gotta get all these decorations up. Gotta fix our bed.
I'm gonna play some music.
Yes, there's so much we have to do, and it's literally 9 o'clock at night.
Look at her. This honestly takes some strength. This is scary. Maddie! Maddie! Alright, we literally just woke up. It's 7:30 a.m. But let me show you our finished room. It's looking pretty good from the back. It starts with this happy place. Sorry, this happy fall. You have to see it all together. It looks fire, dude. Ball lights up there. Or the, yeah, you get it.
A week in London or LA. Yeah, there's something about the way we
Got the area on the ground.
nothing's quite the
The neon sign does it for me. And that's our room. Everybody give this video a like and subscribe. And you know there's more videos coming, right? You know it.